This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ledger Nano S to an iPhone. First, ensure you have all the necessary components ready. This includes your Ledger Nano S, its USB cable, and a specific adapter for your iPhone. Preparing your device properly is crucial for a smooth and secure connection process. We will cover each step in detail to help you manage your crypto assets on the go. To begin, you will need an Apple Lightning to USB camera adapter. This adapter is essential for connecting your Ledger Nano S to your iPhone. Before connecting, make sure your Ledger Nano S has the most recent firmware update for optimal performance and security. Also, download and install the official Ledger Live mobile application from the App Store onto your iPhone. Now, let's connect the devices. First, plug the Lightning to USB camera adapter firmly into your iPhone's charging port. Next, take your Ledger Nano S USB cable and connect one end to your Ledger device and the other end to the USB port on the adapter. Finally, unlock your Ledger Nano S by carefully entering your 4 to 8-digit PIN code. With your Ledger Nano S connected and unlocked, open the Ledger Live mobile application on your iPhone. The app will prompt you to pair your device. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm the connection request directly on your Ledger Nano S screen. Once paired, you can securely access, send, and receive your crypto assets from anywhere, anytime, with full control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.